The Cat's European Journey， 猫咪的欧洲旅行。
Hello, my name is Judy.
Hello， 我的名字是
Judy. Now our plane crosses the shining blue sea and lands in Europe.
现在我们的飞机飞越闪耀的蓝色海洋，降落在欧洲。
Now our plane crosses the shining blue sea and lands in Europe. In France, the Eiffel Tower sparkles at night like a giant star made of steel.
在法国，埃菲尔铁塔在夜晚闪耀，就像一颗钢铁制成的巨大星星。
In France, the Eiffel Tower sparkles at night like a giant star made of steel. People come from everywhere to stand beneath it and take photos.
人们从各地而来，站在它下方拍照。
People come from everywhere to stand beneath it and take photos. In Italy, we see the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
在意大利，我们看到比萨斜塔。
In Italy, we see the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It tilts to one side, but still stands proudly.
它向一侧倾斜，但依然傲然挺立。
It tilts to one side, but still stands proudly. A reminder that even when things are not perfect, they can still be strong and beautiful.
这提醒了我们，即使事物并不完美，它们依然可以既强大又美丽。
A reminder that even when things are not perfect, they can still be strong and beautiful. In England, the famous clock tower Big Ben rings loudly.
在英国，著名的钟楼大笨钟大声响起。
In England, the famous clock tower Big Ben rings loudly, telling everyone in London what time it is.
告诉伦敦的每个人现在是几点。
Telling everyone in London what time it is. Europe shows us that creativity and imagination can turn buildings into art.
欧洲向我们展示了创意与想象力可以将建筑变成艺术。
Europe shows us that creativity and imagination can turn buildings into art. Thank you for listening. Our next speaker is UC.
谢谢大家的聆听，下一位讲者是 UC。
Thank you for listening. Our next speaker is UC.